Everyone, I hope you all are good. So today is our day 2 of learning the AI basics, and today we are going to learn about data. Now what is data? Data is basically an information in a format that is understandable by a computer. So in a simple language, if I explain, if I tell a friend that it is raining, that is basically an information that I am providing to my friend that it is raining. But if I store that information in the form of rows and columns, like if I store the temperature, if I store the humidity, if I store the rainfall in the form of Excel sheet, that is what data is. When we store an information, that is known as data. Now data is of two types, that is structured data and unstructured data. Now what is structured data? Structured data is basically a data when we store data in the form of rows and columns, when the data is more organized, when the data is more understandable by the user, that is known as structured data. Now what is unstructured data? When the data is not stored in the form of rows and columns, when the data is unorganized, it's messy and it's really difficult for us to understand it, that is known as unstructured data. Now what are the examples of unstructured data? The videos, audios, PDF files, documents, these are the examples of unstructured data where it is really difficult as a human for us to go through the entire document and learn and grasp out something from that. But here is where the AI comes into the picture. We can use LLMs, we can use AI to help us understand these unstructured data as well. So that is where AI comes into the picture. Now, what is the use of AI? What is the use of data basically? What is the importance of data? Why do we need data? Data acts as a brain. Without data, the AI is an empty brain, because if you are not providing any context, if you are not providing any information to the AI, it will be acting as an empty brain. It will be like null. It will do nothing, because suppose think of an AI model as a student and data as a textbook. So whenever a student has to give a test, he or she has to go through a textbook over and over again to learn things. Similarly, whenever the AI model has to work on the test cases, the AI model has to go through the data over and over again. And this method where the AI model goes through the data over and over again is known as training. When we train our model to understand patterns is known as training. So I hope you understood the basic difference between the two, that what is a structured data and what is an unstructured data, why we need data, what is the use of data. So I think the information that I gave you, that was clear. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below. I can explain and give you those answers as well. In the next video, we will discuss some more interesting things. Till then, stay tuned and bye.